of the founder members of this style exhibition, fashion lifestyle exhibition called the Style Story. Our first edition was launched in Hyderabad on 19th and 20th, and it was a very good show. We had a very wonderful response, and there's a teamwork behind this whole show also. The difference between other exhibition and this exhibition will definitely that every edition will have some concept. This was the bridal edition what we have done. The next concept will be announced when we announce the next show, and we got a good response from the exhibitors also, and we hope everyone likes our next shows also. We look forward for it.
Really surprising. We all one fine day came up together and said we'll create a story with Style Story, and Manoj, Pooja, Nivdita, Kaleem and Sucharita, myself, we all came together and we said we want to do it. To grace the event, we were very lucky to have Mrs. India, Mrs. Janvi Bajaj, and the dancer and author Mrs. Anita Peter to grace the event as guest of honors. And we had some though it was our first debut, we had an amazing response from the exhibitors and the visitors coming in. Even we had this pandemic thing on, and we were really tensed earlier how would the response be, but whoever's walking in is walking out creating their own story with Style Story. We are shopping, and it's nothing like we can't see pandemic really happening when it comes to shoppers. We're really shopping and we have an amazing response. All what we are getting is congratulations. We had not expected Hyderabad to have such a beautiful event.
This is the Style Story. We have debuted on 19th and 20th of February 2021. And what a wonderful opening it has been. Thank you very much for the warm response. Style Story, as it says, it's time to get glamorous, and with a wonderful satisfying shopping experience at our exhibitions. We are sure, just like Dipaliji and my friend Manoj said, that create your own Style Story. Do reach out to us on the Facebook and our Instagram accounts. Do drop by your comments about how your shopping experience has been. If you have really got a satisfying experience, do mention it. Do let us know if there's any suggestion you'd like to give. And I'd like to mention that we have some of the exclusive designer outfits, posed by our models Gayatri and Nandini. Meher by Sonia ji and Sonali Vora were the outfits, beautiful cocktail gown and a nice mint green ghagra that you might have seen. So we intend to curate both jewelry and lifestyle products. We have an amazing cutlery products which are there by one of our exhibitors. So it's a wonderful teamwork that has come together, and మేమందరము అనుకున్నట్టుగా ఒకనొక రోజు లాక్డౌన్లో అనుకోకుండా ఒక కాన్వర్జేషన్ వీ షుడ్ డూ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ అనడం, ఈరోజు మీతో ఇలా కూర్చొని మాట్లాడటం, మీ అందరినీ అడ్రస్ చేయటం, ఇట్స్ చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది. మా అందరి శ్రమ ఇందులో ఉంది. ఎగ్జిబిటర్స్ కూడా చాలా మమ్మల్ని ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ మేము మొదటిసారి చేస్తున్నా కూడా వారి యొక్క ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ని మేము వీఆర్ టోటలీ ఓవర్వెల్మ్డ్.
పేరు నివేదిత అండి. ఐఎమ్ టీమ్ మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టైల్ స్టోరీ. ఇట్స్ టైమ్ టు గెట్ గ్లామరస్. సో చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మేము అనుకున్న దానికన్నా చాలా బాగా జరిగిందని మేము అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఐ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ హు గ్రేస్డ్ ది ఈవెంట్. అనితా పీటర్ గారు, మిసెస్ జాన్వి బజాజ్ గారు, అండ్ అనితా హరి గారు. She could not make it, but we have a lot of support from her. So I would like to thank all of them. I want to convey my thanks to all the exhibitors. ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను.